Hi, good morning or good afternoon if it's afternoon by you. I'd like to get your attention about MacBooks 2016 and up. If you have a MacBook and especially if it's 2016 or 17, if you're pressing the turn on button, power button, but you don't see picture, make sure you're not seeing picture because you might be seeing picture and your issue is different. How? So bring up flashlight and direct it to right to the screen and see if there is some image there. There's two different things. Either you have image and you have a video, but you don't have the light to show you all that, the light on the screen. Or you have a video problem, which is the screen working perfect, but it's not receiving any video from the motherboard. So you have a chip issue, not a screen issue. So you have to find out which issue it is and you move accordingly. Uh, it will save you a bundle when you start learning how to fix your Macs. It's not really a rocket scientist. So you can study it and start learning. Of course, you don't have to learn everything in one day, but watching some videos, it's going to give you some very good indications of what's wrong with your Mac. Till next time, talk to you later.